Is your faucet leaking? Ottawa Plumbing Service plumbers will quickly repair a leaky faucet, which may only require a simple tightening maneuver. In other instances, the leaky faucet will be replaced with a new tap. Problems with the sink or wash basin will also be quickly resolved to ensure it is functioning. Causes of leaky faucets. Problems in the O-ring. Corroded valve seat. Worn out washer. Improper installation of washer. Why should leaky faucets be fixed? Leaking waste precious drinking resources, but left unchecked, water leaks can lead directly to larger problems down the line. At Ottawa Plumbing Service, we have fixed thousands of leaky or dripping faucets in the Ottawa area. You will be able to trust the friendly, skillful professionals at Ottawa Plumbing Service. Call our Ottawa plumbers today at 613-317-1682 or just email us.